Good morning, student. In this session, we are learning about mixtures. What is mixtures? Two or more components forming together. See, two or more components. See, a mixture is a substance which consists of two or more element or compound, not chemically combined together. What said? A mixture is a substance mixture is a substance which consists of two or more say elements or compound. Elements are compounds. Elements are compound, not chemically combined together. Not chemically combined together. What say? We have to see the number of. A mixture is a substance which consists of two or more elements or compounds not chemically combined together. See, like we have to see the oxygen, like oxygen is there, nitrogen is there, next air, argon is there, carbon dioxide is there. Okay, next we have to see the water vapor. Water vapor. Water vapor. See, it is a not chemically combined together. See, various gases of the air not chemically combined with one another. Similarly, it is a, we have to see the number of gases is there. Is there chemically combined together? No. Similarly, gunpowder, mixture of potassium. See, for example, we have to see the gunpowder is there. Gunpowder. What mixtures is there inside? It is a potassium nitrate plus sulfur charcoal is there. Potassium nitrate, KNO3. Next, sulfur plus charcoal. See, these all are combined together and it will be form the gunpowder. Which powder? Gunpowder. Next we have to see the brass also. Brass also we have to see. It is also formed from copper plus zinc. Which one? Copper plus zinc. See. Next we have to see that this like number of alloys also made. All the substances, say solutions are a mixtures. We have to see the number of solutions is there. So it is a mixtures is there. Salt solution, milk, ink, sugar solutions, petroleum. See, these all are solutions or mixtures. All solutions are mixtures. Like we have to see the salt solution. Salt solution, sugar solution, next we have to see the copper sulfate solution, So this like all solutions are a mixtures is there. Mixtures is there. Next we have to see the types of mixtures we have to learn. See, is this? A mixture is a substance which consists of two or more elements or compound or compounds not chemically combined together. See, we have to see the like oxygen, nitrogen, argon, carbon dioxide and water vapor, etc. Gunpowder. It is made from charcoal, sulfur and potassium nitrate. We are calling the gunpowder. Next, brass is there. It is made from zinc plus copper. See, this is a brass. Next, all solutions are mixtures. Like salt solution, sugar solution, ink is there. Number of solutions is there. We have to learn detail. Next, these mixtures is a how many types? Basically, two types is there. Mixtures is a two types. Okay, two types mixtures is there. See, two types. What are they? Homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. See, this like two types is there. One is a homogeneous mixtures and second one is a heterogeneous mixtures. Okay. See, we have to learn the homogeneous mixtures. What is homogeneous mixtures? See here, those mixtures which the substances are completely mixed together and are, see, indistinguishable from one another. See, are called the homogeneous mixtures. What said? Homogeneous mixtures, those mixtures which are which the substances are completely mixed together, and are indistinguishable from one another. From one another are called homogeneous mixtures. See, those mixtures which the substances are completely mixed. See, these are completely mixed together and indistinguishable from one another are called the homogeneous mixtures. For example, we have to take the sugar. See, if you prepare this, we have to take the water inside. Okay. See, this is totally water is there. Okay. See, this is a water. See, if you pour the sugar, what will happen? The sugar particles is a completely dissolved in this water. Completely dissolved in this water. We are calling the homogeneous mixtures. If you test this solution, see upper part or see it is a bottom. See it is the same test is there. Okay. See this is a homogeneous mixtures we are calling sugar solution, copper sulfate solution. See this is a sugar solution. Sugar solution, salt solution. Next copper sulfate solution. See, we have to see that these are completely dissolved in that solvent. See, here is a solvent is a more amount is there. Water is a solvent. Solute is a here sugar or salt. Okay, we are discussing about the sugar only, sugar solution. See what will happen? These combine together, we are calling the sugar solution. What do we calling? Sugar solution. Okay, see this like homogeneous mixture is there. Sodium chloride, sugar. See this like called the homogeneous mixtures, like a alcohol plus water, homogeneous mixture, petroleum product, homogeneous mixture, oil, homogeneous mixture. See these all are homogeneous mixtures. See we have to learn about the heterogeneous mixtures. Next, heterogeneous mixture. Okay, what is heterogeneous mixtures? Here, those mixtures in which the substance remain separate. Those mixtures and in which the substances substances remain separate. Remain separate. And what said? Remain separate, and one substance is spread throughout the other. And one substance spread throughout the another. Throughout the another. See, substance as small particles. Substances as small particles. As small particles or droplets are called heterogeneous mixture. See here, those mixtures in which the substance remain separate. See, one substance spread throughout the another substances as a small particles or droplets are called, we are calling the heterogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures. For example, we have to see the here we have to see oil plus water. What is oil plus water? Plus water. See, these are a heterogeneous mixtures. Okay. Next we have to see the chalk. Take the water in a beaker and we have to pour the chalk. See, chalk particles is a suspended, remains stable. Next we have to see the suspension of the solids in liquids are called the heterogeneous mixtures. We have to see the milk plus water. Okay. Next we have to see the chalk powder plus water. Next we have to see the chunna water, lime water. See, next oil plus water. See, these all are heterogeneous mixtures. Next we have to see the suspension of a solid in liquids is called heterogeneous. A substance containing two immeasurable liquids, also heterogeneous mixtures. See petrol. See, petroleum is there na? Petrol plus water. It is a heterogeneous mixtures. See, this like homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Next session for we have to learn about the practical method of the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures and their separation.